Welcome back to What to Wear Here and There. I'm Lashana and I'm here to give you what you want. Yeah. Style, hair, fashion, and flair. Come along, sit down, grab your pretty drink. Stay with me. Hey everybody, real quick, welcome to those who have seen this half up, half down hairdo. I really wanted to kind of shorten it and make it brief for those who want a really quick tutorial. Right now I am dealing with recuperating, getting myself back together health-wise, and I'm editing other videos that I've prepared for you previously. So enjoy this hot hair summer hairdo you can do all year long. We're gonna be doing this hairdo. It's half up, half down. So these are the tools I'm gonna try. This is an elastic. My parting comb, this comb maybe to kind of guide. I may use my trusty dusty. It's lighter than the milk and honey. And then I'm almost out of this. I think I'm gonna grab some this weekend. And my brush. This off by giving a part, and it may not be perfect, and also you may see some dandruff in there because like I said, my hair, yeah, this is not like that's dandruff, because my hair is dirty. It is time to wash it, and so I washed it over the weekend. And just come over, bring the part over to this side of the ear, the opposite ear. And it's not gonna be perfect. I already brushed through my hair, but if y'all can see the dandruff that is falling out of here, it is really time. Instead of doing this, you're probably wondering, well, why aren't you washing your hair? Because I need hours, and I don't have hours. It may look light out, but it's late. You know, summertime brings longer sunlight. So I think this is as much as I would like to put up, if I remember correctly from back in the day. And if not, then I'll go back and switch it. I think my part looks pretty good. I think this is about as much as I would like. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm gonna secure the back so it won't join in with the top. So I'm just gonna bring it, twirl it, and just secure it. No big special thing. Use one of my clips, clamps, whatever. And then, now this is gonna be trial and error. I don't think I've done a half up, half down do since my hair has really been this long. So what I think I want to do is just grab a little product. Let me take my rings off because I've been getting product in my jewelry lately when I'm working on just doing hair, and I shouldn't do that. You have to clean it, and I don't like taking my jewelry to the jewelry store because they will clean your stones right on out of there. I'll never forget one time we went away down south. We went to visit our family, and we stopped and got our rings cleaned. And I don't know, they put them in this thing where it shakes, I guess, the dirt out in some liquid. And when I got my ring back, one of my stones had fallen out. And yeah, that was a long drawn out ordeal. But they knew I wasn't missing any stones before they decided to clean my stones. And the thing was, we weren't even asking for it. They were like, oh, because we were just looking at jewelry, and then they were like, oh, you should let us clean your rings, la 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 la. My mom and I I was not a happy camper. But anyway, it was resolved. Okay, so this is real quick, y'all. This is not gonna be a long video at all. But I used my Senora Rizada, and you can use as much as you want. I didn't really put a whole lot in. I'm gonna take this smoothing brush, I think. I said I'm gonna learn to stop saying for my sides and say for my edges. I'm gonna try. So I'm pulling up just to keep smoothing it out. I have a loose hair somewhere, I can feel it on me. And as you see, these wayward hairs are sticking out, but we're gonna figure that out. So we're gonna secure. When I have a big pony holder or whatever, I double it up usually so I won't have to wrap so many times. So let's see how this is gonna turn out, y'all. It's looking a little thin for me. I think I probably should have added some more hair. A lot of body. And this is Control Me Edge Gel. It's very lightweight though, very lightweight. So you can put your hair up with this and then the next day take it down. And there shouldn't be a ton of residue. But I really want this to be sleek. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I just lost my little edger brush. Hold please. I have a sweet friend that always says hold please. I mean, we've heard that everywhere, but she says that, and I thought that was so cute, so I've adopted that from her. Okay. All right. As you can see, not everything goes up into that pony holder, but so I'm going to take the clip down just so I can see where I'm at as far as the volume. And I'm not, although this is like, I used to wear it like this, and this is very cute. And what some people probably can do if you wanted to do it, you could take a piece out and wrap it around the pony holder if you don't want the pony holder to be seen. But for me, I feel like either way is fine. So this is with it down, but what I used to do back in high school, I used to do the bun, and I think I wore this style in college. Just a light twist, not a super tight twist. My cousins used to wear those really cool buns in New York, both. And so, yeah. So this is the look I was going for, actually. And then you can do your edges. I don't do a whole lot of that, y'all. I like to do my little twirl curl. And it's not perfect, but I think this is really good. A really cool and fun look. Is the bun even in the camera, y'all? Have I been doing this and now have not pictures because I didn't leave for. So this is the look in the back, to the side.